Kasi hindi ang family ang priority, hindi ikaw ang priority. Duty first. Yun talaga siya, duty first. Pangalawa, tuluyan natin silang gabayan how to manage ang kanilang sweldo. Tulungan natin sila. Yung sa tamang gastusin lang, wag puro milk tea tsaka Sunmid Light, sabi nga. At iwasan muna yung mga utang. Based on my experience, kapag kasi kukunti na lang yung kinsenas, yung 15-30 ng ating mga sundalo, hindi na siya masyadong motivated para na magtrabaho. And then yung iba pa extreme, nag-aawol na lang. So, sayang yung pinaghirapan ng ating mga bagong sundalo. At sa ating mga graduates, as you march forward into the future, know that you carry the hopes and aspirations of your nation, of our nation on your shoulders. Be proud of your chosen path, stay true to your values, and always remember that you are the embodiment of honor and duty. Again, congratulations and may you have a safe and successful journey ahead. Mabuhay ang Philippine Army, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, sir, for a very inspiring message. At this juncture, please all rise for the mass singing of Awit Kawan.